So after creating your page, the next thing you are going to do is to promote your page so that you will be able to get customers to buy from you and to grow your page. Not just to create the page, you have to grow your page. There are two ways you can grow your page, either organically or paid. When you pay Facebook will help you to promote your page, but you can do the promotion organically. First, start with organically. Don't, as you create new page, don't start with paid promotion. But once you hit 100, you can start promoting using money. Either you use social media influencer to tell them to talk to people to follow your page, or the services or posting every day on Facebook. So why am I telling you this thing? I want to hide this secret to you, but I don't want to do that. I want everybody to grow. So I'm going to show you how you can promote your page organically. So how are you going to promote your page? First of all, as you create the new page, this your followers or this your friends on this profile, I will convert them. I will make them to follow my page. I will make them to follow my page, and according to Facebook, at least we reach 100 followers before you go live. You reach 100 followers before you start running advert on that page. So first of all, you are going to switch to that page. Remember the page we create. So let me click on switch to profile. So when I click on switch to profile, you can see the name of the page here. I'll click on SEO Junker. So as I switch to the page now, the next thing I'm going to do, I'll click on the page, the profile here. So when I click on profile, what I'm going to do now is I'll click on this line here, this place here. Then I'll click on it. So once I click on it, I'll scroll. You can see where they say invite friends. So that's me. I'm going to invite my friends. So click on invite friends. So now, before I can invite friends, they say switch to your GD apps profile to invite friends to follow SEO Junker. So I'm going to click on switch profile now. So now, as I switch to the profile now, you can see people that I'm going to send in a friend. You can see select 748 people. So that means if I click on select all, that means I'm going to send, Facebook is going to send notification to 748 people. If we have more than this, Facebook is going to send the notification to those people. We're going to send the notification to those people. So click on send invitation here. So that's me. As you can see, I have zero followers. So within a short period of time, people are going to see notification that DD Apps invite them to like his page, SEO Junker. So you see people will start following me. People will start following me. So you will keep on doing like this. You know, sometimes most people, they will not see the invitation. So every day you come back to your page and click on this three dot. You can then click on invite. You can see these 770 people are still showing, but that is not an issue. When the invitation is sent, you will not see them here. So people that are coming new, people that are following you new, anytime you invite, go to invite, you will see the new people that you can invite them. So you keep on doing this thing like this, and be posting valuable content that Facebook will help you rank your page. So in this description of this video, click and get that course. Now the course is dedicated only for people that pay for web app. It's little amount you are going to pay so that you get the course. The course is going to show you how you can use a paid promotion on Facebook to promote your page, and it's very important that you get the course. Because if you get the course now, you start promoting your page every day. You don't need to be struggling yourself. You know, inside that course we cover how you can fund your account, the restrict Nigeria, how you can avoid ban, all these things you are going to get inside that course. So the course, if you click the link in the description right now, you get the course as discount today. But if you refuse to pay, when you come back, see the cost will increase. But now, right now, the course is selling for $399. That's almost 4,000. When you click and go now, you get the course at that discount price. But if you come back tomorrow, you will not be able to see at that price. We are giving that discount for only those that pay for web app application. So if you miss out today, you are going to pay more. So check the description or send me a message. Send me a message on WhatsApp. I will send you the link to the course so that you will make purchase of that course and start knowing the secret. In that course, we cover how you can see the Facebook competitor analysis, how you can fund the account, how you can set up your ad. All these things will be using your WhatsApp business, and it's going to for advance where you can see, you can set up and promote your page and make people to follow your page every day. So check the description of this video and click on that link. It's a limited offer. It's $399. We are giving out that course, but if you come back after today, you are going to pay 15,000 naira. So check the description of this video and click that link, or send me a message on WhatsApp so that I will send you the link to the course so that you get the course. You have to get the course. Be doing this thing on your own. You don't need anybody, you don't need any expert to be doing this thing for you. So check the description of this video and click and get the course now.